ఉంటే గార్బేజ్ అంతా ఒక దగ్గర పెట్టేసి దాన్ని ఒక స్టిపులేటెడ్ ప్లేస్ ఉంటుంది మా అపార్ట్మెంట్స్లో, అక్కడ పడేస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్టెంట్.
చెత్తమండి ఆయన వస్తేనే ఏం నష్టం ఉండదు, ఆయన రాకుండా నష్టం.
మీరు ఎక్కడ పడేస్తారు చెత్త?
మున్సిపాలిటీలకే ఇస్తాం.
Corporation people come to correct it, and we know that they dump it in some bigger place, and that's how it happens actually. We know that it is it causes some sort of a damage to our surroundings and all.
మా దగ్గర మామూలు మేము మా ఇంట్లో చెత్త పడేసినా కూడా అక్కడ మస్కిటోస్ వస్తుంది. సో వెన్ దే డమ్ దిస్ హోల్ థింగ్ ఇన్ బిగ్గర్ గార్బేజ్ పార్ట్, అక్కడ ఇంకా మస్కిటోస్ హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ పెరుగుతూనే ఉంటాయి. అండ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లాస్టిక్ నాకు తెలిసి కాన్ బి డీకంపోజ్డ్ ఆర్ రీసైకిల్. నాకు తెలిసిన
ఇంట్లో కానీ ముంగల పెద్ద మోరీలో ఉన్నాయి, అలా దయవల్ల అంతా ఒకటి దానికి వచ్చేవరకల్లా మనకు చికెన్ గుంజ కానీ డెంగ్యూ కానీ దోమలు వల్ల మనకు చాలా
Behind me is a dump yard in the city, and vehicles from different parts of the city come here and they dump the garbage that they collect every day. And from here, big municipal trucks take it to outskirts of the city where it continues to get piled up for years. Most of this garbage can be converted to domestic fuel using a device such as a biogas digester. From the first model in 1935 by Arthur M. Buswell to the currently available model, there have been tremendous improvements, but still the biogas digester is a rarity among most people. Present-day compact digesters available in India consist of seal tanks holding slurry for an extended period. These require homogenized feed fed into a 4-inch pipe for single-stage digestion. External homogenizers such as a mixer grinder is required to homogenize the solid waste before feeding it to the conventional digester. Choking and scum formation are the most common problems associated with these digesters. Due to low organic loading rate and long hydraulic retention time, these are not suitable for treating large quantities of waste. A 1,000-liter conventional digester can treat only limited quantity of waste per day, making it suitable for only a single household. For a high-rate digestion, efficient mixing of high-consistency slurry and a multi-stage digestion process are the key factors. IICT has developed a new innovative digester that precisely addresses these key factors. This new model consists of a twin tank design that provides 2-stage digestion process and increased treatment efficiency. The feeding tank has large mouth for easy feeding of garbage or wastage, and we have a mixing unit where the slurry undergoes digestion. The top portion is a floating gas chamber where the gas from the mixing unit is collected. The digester has vertically aligned multiple compartments that are connected hydraulically. Differential pressure created by biogas across vertical compartments is the driving force to accomplish mixing. With no external power or mechanical moving parts, this model is a versatile built-in self-mixing system for slurry. This also aids for a high degree of mixing, increasing treatment efficiency and in turn preventing operational difficulties such as choking or scum formation. Mixing process can be controlled either by a motorized valve for a fully automatic unit or a manual valve for less expensive model. The discharge from the mixing tank gets filtered and liquid portion can be recycled using a small pump and fed back into the feeder. High degree of treatment efficiency results in less solid discharge that can be connected to a drainage outlet as there are negligible solid particles. Due to high loading rate and short hydraulic retention time, high rate compact digester is suitable for treating large quantities of waste. Bioengineering and Environmental Center at IICT have been working on this model for the past 2 years and have been successful in developing a few prototypes. The latest prototype is a fully functional manual unit. Depending on the customer's requirement, 3 models are available: manual, semi-automatic and fully automatic. Fully automatic unit consumes negligible power. Underground design is also possible if space is a constraint.